Hi everyone, this is a update video about my previous video about Sony WH-1000XM4 that I had some problems with connection and the speak to chat and some other stuff that after that video had occurred, like poor telephone quality, the microphone, and so on. So this is a short video just to update you about how Sony had responded to me. And unfortunately, after many emails, they told me, okay, send it back and we are going to repair it and send it back to you. And I was so disappointed with that result, and I told them that I purchased a brand new item and I don't want my item to go back and opened up and get repaired and send it back to me. I told them that I want a new replacement, and they responded back to tell me that I'm afraid they don't have any in stock, or in fact, um, they don't have any policies to replace it from where I have contacted them. And then they advised me to take it where I have purchased it, to get a replacement there and explain to them the problem. And I took it back to Curry's, and this time I have opted for the black one, which is this one, and everything works, and I'm so happy with this purchase now after nearly more than a month. And I am happy with this, and everything works properly. And if you notice that there has been some new updates that they exactly rectified the same issues that I have mentioned. So now I am happy with this, and I just wanted to let you know about this. And another thing, I have some other videos lined up, and if you remember, I have made a video about Rode Wireless Go, that I had some problem with adjusting the decibel issues, output issues. And now I have the replacement on that, and I'm recording the sound of this video with that Wireless Go, and please let me know if the sound quality is to your liking, or should I go back to the microphone that I was using. Anyhow, so this video is supposed to be about my endeavor about how to repair how I gone about to get my replacement instead of a repair. And just out of curiosity, another day I have tested the sound quality of this with my Jaybird Freedom, I think it's Mark 1, and the sound quality was as good as this one, but because this one has 4 centimeters drivers inside, so obviously it cannot, compete with this absolutely. But most of people, they purchase this for the noise cancelling function, and the other over the ear headphones rather than in ear headphones. And I was a little bit surprised to see that my Jaybird Freedom could compete with the sound quality of this. And if you have a Jaybird headphone, you know that it offers more on the equalizer side of the app, and that you can move the touch point of the equalizer vertically and horizontally. And I was amazed that my Jaybird Freedom Mark 1 could compete with the sound quality of this. Anyhow, this was my result with Sony that I was absolutely disappointed, so I took it back, and this time I gone for the black one to avoid reminding me of the same issues that I had with my cream or beige XM4. I hope you like this video, you find it useful, and please, if you have any questions, any comments, leave it down below. I get back to you guys as soon as possible. This is the end of this video. Take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.